Okay, it's March 13th, 2017, and in this video I'm going to talk about CL, the famous or infamous oil contract that befuddles so many people. I actually like trading it. Maybe it comes from my news background. I like stuff that moves really fast. And I'm just kind of getting to know it through order flow. So I'm very, very green with the CL. I looked at it a couple years ago, but really just kind of put it aside. But one of the things that I want to show is that even CL has some interesting order flow moves that happen. And this is roughly 8:50 Central Time in the morning. And what's happened is, here's the open. CL kind of broke out of its kind of opening range. It went up, formed a high around almost to 48.70, came back down. And now you're kind of wondering, well, was this a pullback and is it going to go up? Or is this really kind of the end of this breakout, and this really was just a false breakout, and this was an exhaustion? So what I saw here, and I'm going to go ahead and play, is obviously you see all of this liquidity right here. The bulls are just kind of propping this up. And then you see this right here, and just pay attention right over here in the book. And we're just gonna look at this, and you notice you got 100 and 200, 185, only 26 is showing. This is an iceberg. I mean, even the CL contract has icebergs. I mean, just check this out for a minute as we watch size come in here. We're going to see this over and over again. So the bulls are really, really pressing. Look at that. Another iceberg at 53. They're able to push it up to 54, but now you have sellers that are actively hitting back in. You can see this volume size right here. And again, 200 contracts hit in. They can only get 19 up on 54, 21. I think it's important just to watch this price action. Now, what I was seeing here, I was paying attention to these icebergs. And what I look for when I see icebergs like that, it's not enough to see the absorption. I want to see the active hitting in. So I saw this 111 and I thought, oh, I should get in there. I was too late. As soon as it hit this 111 in here, it dropped 2, 3, 4 ticks right away, and I was late. So this is a really good example, though, and you can see it just keeps going down. The bear is just absorbed right here in this 53, 54 spot, and knocked the bulls right out, brought it back down to this liquidity area. So again, a really good example of how I like to see not just the absorption that takes place, but also the active hitting back in by the group or the side that was absorbing. So wonderful example here, and a good kind of testament that even CL has really good order flow that you could watch in the book.